Hi everyone. In this quick 4-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a QuickBooks Bookkeeper account, how to use your Xero demo company as a bookkeeper, and finally, how to create a Fiverr gig for QuickBooks and Xero bookkeeping. This is super beginner friendly, so let's get started. Part 1. Create QuickBooks Online Accountant. First, let's create your QuickBooks Online Accountant account, which is completely free. 1. Open your browser and search for QuickBooks Online Accountant Signup. 2. Click on the official QuickBooks link. 3. Now click Create a Free Account. 4. Enter your name, email, and password. 5. Click Create Account. You'll now be taken to your QuickBooks Accountant dashboard. This is the account bookkeepers use to manage clients. Show the important tabs: Clients, Work, Apps. And that's it. Your QuickBooks Bookkeeper account is ready. Part 2. Use Xero Demo Company as a bookkeeper account. Now, let's look at Xero. You don't need a special bookkeeper account because your Xero Demo Company already works exactly like one. 1. Log into Xero. 2. Click My Xero. 3. Open Demo Company. Inside here, you can practice everything: creating invoices, entering bills, doing bank reconciliation, and generating financial reports. So, in your Fiverr gig, you can say you work with QuickBooks and Xero even if you're practicing using the demo company. Part 3. Create Fiverr account. Now let's create your Fiverr seller account. 1. Go to fiverr.com. 2. Click Join. 3. Sign up using Google or email. After logging in, go to your profile and click Become a Seller. Fiverr will ask for a few details: your name, skills like bookkeeping, QuickBooks, Xero, and a profile picture. Complete the steps and continue. Part 4. Create Fiverr bookkeeping gig. Now let's create your gig. 1. Click Create a new gig. 2. Add a title like I will do QuickBooks Online and Xero bookkeeping for your business. 3. Choose the category: accounting and finance, bookkeeping, service type, bookkeeping, QuickBooks, Xero. 4. Pricing. Create 3 packages: Basic, $20, 20 transactions; Standard, $60, 100 transactions; and Premium, $120, full monthly bookkeeping. 5. Gig description. You can paste this: I will manage your bookkeeping in QuickBooks or Xero, including reconciliation, categorizing transactions, invoices, bills, and monthly reports. 6. Requirements. Ask clients for access to QuickBooks or Xero, bank statements, chart of accounts. 7. Add gig images or screenshots, optional. 8. Click Publish and your gig goes live. Your Fiverr bookkeeping gig is now ready. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you created your QuickBooks Accountant account, learned how to use your Xero demo company, and set up your first Fiverr bookkeeping gig. If you want scripts, thumbnails, or part 2 tutorials, comment below. Thanks for watching.